Are you ready for the ultimate smartphone experience? The wait is over as Samsung unveils the highly anticipated Galaxy S23 Ultra. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, this device is sure to turn heads and change the game for mobile devices. Today, we have an exciting announcement to make: the official unveiling of the latest and greatest in mobile technology, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This device is sure to take your smartphone experience to new heights with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design. From its powerful 5G capabilities to its 200-megapixel camera and stunning 6.8-inch 2x dynamic AMOLED screen with a 1440p resolution and an impressive 500 ppi, the S23 Ultra is the ultimate in mobile innovation. Stay tuned as we take an in-depth look at the features and specs that make this device a game-changer. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is finally set to be officially unveiled at the UNPACKED event in February. For years, Samsung has had a habit of leaking information about their upcoming devices, but this time we have the official confirmation straight from the company. The teaser image for the event gives us a glimpse of what to expect, and it's clear that the camera is set to be the biggest upgrade on a Galaxy flagship yet. The camera lenses of the Galaxy S23 Ultra are prominently featured in the teaser image, and it's clear that the device will come with a 200-megapixel sensor, state-of-the-art zoom, and ultra-wide lenses. This confirms that Samsung is serious about taking the camera game to the next level. While the teaser doesn't specifically mention the Galaxy S23, it simply says Galaxy Unpacked, hinting that there may be more surprises in store for us. One such surprise could be the new Qualcomm Orion-powered Galaxy Book Ultra laptop. This was something that was totally unexpected, and it shows that Samsung is looking to diversify its product line and offer more options for consumers. There's also a possibility of a Galaxy S2 Fan Edition announcement, although that may or may not happen. Samsung is also doubling down on its collaboration with social media apps such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat. This partnership is aimed at further optimizing the photo and video experience for the Galaxy S23 series. With its collaboration, you can expect to take even better photos and videos within these social media apps compared to the previous generation. Apart from the rear camera, the front camera is also receiving a significant upgrade. The new dual-pixel technology and proper Pro mode will allow for better night photography and selfies. This is a big deal for those who take a lot of photos with the front camera. Additionally, Samsung is introducing a powerful algorithm called nightography, which will take front camera 9-sided photos to the next level. On the downside, it has been confirmed that the Ultra Dynamic Range 2000 nits OLED screen will not be featured on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is a bit of a disappointment for those who are looking forward to experiencing the enhanced color and brightness that this technology offers. The Ultra Dynamic Range 2000 nits OLED screen is a cutting-edge technology that has been making waves in the industry, and many were excited to see it on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, it's important to note that this technology may not be gone forever. It may instead be seen on the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in 2024. This means that those who are looking for this feature will have to wait a bit longer, but it's definitely worth it. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is shaping up to be an exciting release with many new and improved features. With the official unveiling just around the corner, we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. The camera upgrades, new laptops, and collaborations with social media apps all point to a device that is designed to meet the demands of the modern consumer. Stay tuned for more information as we get closer to the official launch date. That's all for our in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. From its powerful 5G capabilities to its 200-megapixel camera and stunning 6.8-inch 2x dynamic AMOLED screen, this device is set to change the game for mobile technology. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and other exciting tech releases. Thanks for watching.